For better lighting, let's make a studio light box at home. Let's get started. What are the material required? A cardboard box, reflective sheet, basic tools like scissors, tape, etc. So first of all, mark the dimensions. Cut it into 5 inches into 10.10 into 5.25 inches dimensions. Make sure you cut 4 pieces for all the 4 sides. You can use the first cutting to make the dimensions so that they are equally same, and cut them 4 pieces of same size is what you want. Then cut a square of 5.25 so that the smaller side matches it. On one side of each piece that you cut, use the reflecting paper to cover it up. So 4 reflected sheets on one side each. Now paste them, fix all of them with the tape that can be a basic any tape, so that it is made like a box. Make it tight so that it doesn't fall away or like take some other shape. So try to make it as tight as possible. Tape on the other side as well so that it's stronger. So now join all the sides to make it look like a box, and tape it from inside and outside. Now mark the center of the bulb holder on the square and then cut it out. Install fixed bulb holder and the square on its side and attach a wire to it. Fix it well. You can use tape, glue, gum. So I install the bulb and then a tracing paper so that you get a better light and a final touch for your box of the studio light box. So it's something looking like this. From the front it's actually a light box. From the back you will see the cardboard. You can make a stand also. So it's off, so once on you can see the amount of light that you will get from it. The light is so much that it can easily light up your face and better video.